Hi, everyone, and thank you for your interest in the Simplify Global Education platform. In this video, we will walk you through how the platform resent activities and how schools and organizations can use it to manage online classes effectively. Let's begin with the dashboard. The dashboard includes key sections such as modules, placement test, lesson history, billing, and the enterprise section. The enterprise section is the core of the platform. This is where schools manage their entire system, including teachers, students, classes, homework activities, and courses. Before we go into the enterprise section in detail, let me briefly show you how the lesson library. This is where teachers open lessons, select a class, and assign the lesson. Once the lesson is completed, teachers can send assignments linked to that lesson to all students registered in the class. When you click on the lesson library, you will notice multiple modules for different ESL levels. For example, this is the Beginner English module. When I expand it, you can see all lessons organized into units. To open a lesson, simply select it and click the Launch button. A new window will appear with 3 options. Live session, assign lesson only, just browsing. We will select Live Session and click Next. On the next page, you can choose to assign the lesson to a class or an individual student. For this example, we will select a class. Then, choose from your list of available classes. You can also paste a Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams link into the custom link field. Students will receive this link in their accounts and can join the class directly from the platform. Click Enroll to launch the live class. Inside the lesson, you will notice several tools on the toolbar that make the session interactive. These tools allow teachers to write on the screen, highlight content, and add examples in real time. In addition, the platform includes helpful learning features such as image search, where students can click on a word to instantly see related visuals for better understanding. There is also a pronunciation tool. By clicking or right-clicking a word, students can hear it spoken aloud.
Nightingale. Nightingale.
And translation support, similar to Google Translate, allows quick conversion of words or sentences into another language. The platform also provides video and audio transcripts, enabling students to read along, review lessons, and replay specific sections. Together, these features create a more interactive and accessible learning experience. On the left side, you will see the Teacher Notes section. This can be separated into a separate window and is only visible to the instructor. You can also adjust text size, colors, and formatting directly within the lesson. The slides also include an image search feature, allowing teachers to quickly add visuals during the lesson. Once the lesson is complete, click the Exit button. This will open the assignment panel. From here, you can send the assignment linked to this lesson to all students in the class. When you click Submit, all students will receive the lesson and assignment in their Simplify student account. Now, let's briefly look at the student experience. Each student has an individual account where they can access lessons, join live classes, complete assignments, and track their progress. When students log in, they land on the dashboard page where they can quickly access all the key sections. In the lesson section, they can find all the lessons shared by their teacher, ready to open and study. Next is the to-do list, which helps students keep track of everything they need to complete. Here, they will find vocabulary tests assigned by the teacher, homework that needs to be completed, placement tests that they can take and review afterward, and skill tests where they can practice grammar, listening, reading, writing, or speaking. Let's open an assignment and go through some of the questions. I will open this assignment from this elementary class. Let's go through answering some of these questions. I will intentionally make mistakes to check the results later. The assignment can be multiple pages with different kinds of questions. Now I am going to submit this assignment. Let's go to Completed and check the results. Under Completed, I will find the same assignment and click to open. Students do not need to wait for the instructor to review their assignments and can receive instant feedback. The automated system evaluates my answers and provides me with essential feedback that I can review and later discuss with the instructor if needed. Next, I would like to introduce you to another important learning resource, our AI chatbot, Sarah. Sarah can answer questions, explain topics, and communicate in different languages, so students are never stuck while learning. Beyond that, Sarah can actively guide students through English practice, provide examples, and even simulate conversations. For instance, a student can interact with the AI like this. Can you tell me briefly about present continuous tense?
Of course, the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening right now or around the current moment. We usually form it with the verb to be, am, is, are, plus the main verb ending in ing. For example, she is reading a book, means she's doing it right now. We also use it for temporary situations or future plans. Want to practice some examples together?
Yes. Is this correct? I am going to Afghanistan.
Let's break it down. The structure of I am going to Afghanistan is perfectly correct in present continuous. You're using am, the right form of the verb to be, plus going, the main verb with ing, and to Afghanistan shows your destination. So yes, it's correct if you're talking about something happening soon or a plan. Would you like to try another sentence for practice?
Yes. I am a red Dari.
Let's correct that sentence a little. In present continuous, we need the verb with an ing form. So it should be, I am reading Dari. Now it's correct. I am reading Dari means you're doing it right now. Great effort.
Can you explain the same topic briefly in Dari?
حتما خوشحال میشم. ساختار حال استمراری در دری به این شکل است. از فعل کمکی است یا هست استفاده میکنیم و فعل اصلی را با می و دن تبدیل به دن میکنیم. مثلا من دارم کتاب میخوانم. یعنی همین حالا در حال انجام آن کار هستید. این خلاصه بود. اگر میخواهید تمرین کنیم بگویید.
Once tasks are completed, students can find all their finished homework and tests under the completed Resent Activities section. They can also check the Courses section to view all the courses assigned to them. Let's look at the teacher experience. When you log in as a teacher, the first thing you'll see on your dashboard is the lesson library. This is where teachers can launch lessons or share them with students for learning. Next, you'll find the Student Management section. Here you can view detailed student information such as student ID, name, email, and joining date. You can also track homework activities and monitor each student's activity in progress. After that, you have the Classes section, where you can see all the classes assigned to you, the ones you teach and manage. Next is the Work section, where you can view all recent activities and placement tests, including both assigned and completed Resent activities. There is also a dedicated Placement Test section, where you can track assigned tests, view student names, and check whether they have completed them or not. Finally, you have the Lesson History section. Here, you can view recent sessions, classroom sessions, and past sessions, helping you track your teaching activity and progress over time. Thank you for taking the time to explore the Simplify Global Education platform. As you've seen, the platform provides a complete solution for managing lessons, supporting students, and enhancing the overall learning experience. We hope this overview gives you a clear understanding of how SGE can support your educational goals. If you have any questions or would like a deeper demonstration, we'd be happy to assist. Thank you for watching.